Well, the much-awaited Covid-19 vaccination exercise starts tomorrow and the stage has been set at the Guwahati Medical College and Hospital. GMCH Superintendent Dr. Abhijit Sharma exclusively spoke to Northeast Live about the preparations ahead of the vaccination drive. A vaccination room with the capacity of 150 people has been set up, along with which there is a separate observation area where the beneficiaries will be kept under observation for 30 minutes after receiving the vaccine. A total of 100 health workers will get the first dose of the vaccine in GMCH on day 1.
So what are the steps being taken for the big day tomorrow?
See, we have a fever clinic there, a screening center, that has been converted to a vaccination site. And we have a capacity of about 150 people can be seated there. So tomorrow we have a list of doctors and we have some healthcare workers, sisters, trolley pullers, nurses and all. So they will be vaccinated, and the basic thing it is this list has been prepared by us about names of about 2,000 doctors, paramedics and all, and that's been uploaded, out of which tomorrow we are going to vaccinate 100 of them. And more important to say is 10 most prominent doctors of Assam, they will be vaccinated.
And well, eminent doctors from Assam are among the 100 people who would be vaccinated at the GMCH on the first day. And from this list, there are 25 doctors, while others are sanitation workers, pharmacists and nurses.
See, we had requested that we are giving vaccination as Government of India on 16. So there were people who came voluntarily to put their names in. So we just got the list. And the senior people, like the retired VCs and all, we gave them a call and they said they are very eager to have the first vaccine. Even the Padma Shri, Dr. Ilyas Ali is also coming. That's a good point.
And while each person will require 2 doses of the vaccine, which will be administered at regulated intervals. During this period, GMCH is equipped with crash carts, AEFI kits and ICUs in case of any emergency or possible side effects.
See, the first dose is given tomorrow, and after 28 days, we can give the second dose. Okay. That is the thing.
And what are the steps that you're taking after the first dose is administered? Are they going to be kept under observation?
So I'll tell you what, these guys, whoever gets vaccinated, they will be first kept in a waiting area. Then they'll be vaccinated. Then they'll be shifted to a post-vaccine waiting area for 30 minutes. We'll observe for any adverse reactions. If there are no adverse reactions, they'll be sent home. Minor adverse reactions like fatigue, myalgia, body ache, and slightly feverish may happen. But I think people are more motivated to get the injection than vaccination than anything else.
Meanwhile, Dr. Abhijit Sharma has urged people to get the vaccine for the benefit of themselves and the society at large.
My only thing is, one line is get vaccinated, because it's like any other vaccine. And nothing to be skeptical or reluctant to be. So I feel that if you get vaccinated, you'll be safe for yourself, safe for others.
On the other hand, Meghalaya is also geared up for the COVID vaccine rollout tomorrow. The state has received a total of 35,000 vials of vaccine in the first lot. State Health Minister A.L. Hek said that in the first phase, 16,000 health workers will be vaccinated on a voluntary basis. Hek informed that Chief Minister Conrad Sangma will launch the vaccination process slated to be carried out across 10 centres that includes Negrims, Moflang Community Health Centre, Nongstoin Civil Hospital and Ampati Civil Hospital in Southwest Garo Hills, among others. And to a query on concerns of public on safety issues, the Health Minister said that the public should trust the work of the medical experts.
Prepared for the rollout of the vaccination. So tomorrow we'll start our back to vaccinate all the health workers. So 16,000 health workers will be vaccinated in all the states, and also it will be in 2 doses. The first doses will start from tomorrow. Then already we have received 35,000 doses till today. I will be very happy if they give me the first one to, have a record in life that the first man in Meghalaya, ELH, who has been vaccinated. But I didn't get this opportunity. What to do? I have to follow the policy. Faith on those experts, no? You should have faith with the medical experts, with the scientists and all who has done all their efforts and their hard work to bring out the vaccines. Let's see first. We should not see first with the dark side of the. You see first the light side of the thing. If anything happen, then we'll try to recorrect whatever there in the future. But now don't just talk about the dark side of the picture.
And around 8,476 health workers will be vaccinated in Manipur in the first phase. Chief Minister N. Birren Singh will launch the vaccination drive at Jenims tomorrow. The State Health Department has already dispatched 54,000 doses of COVID vaccine to all 10 COVID centres across the state. The 10 centres set up for the vaccination exercise includes district hospitals in Bishnupur, Thaubal, Chandel, Ukhrul, Senapati, Tamenglong, Churachandpur, Jenims Hospital in Imphal East and RIMS and Shiza Hospital in Imphal West.
The vaccination on 16th of this month, and all of us very much eagerly waiting for this vaccination, and we have already identified all those health workers, and we have already put in our names in the COVID. So from tomorrow we start with 100 people, and then we gradually may increase it. We will get more than 4,000 doses right in the beginning. So we have the health workers, we have uploaded more than 3,700, but then all the students also will be coming. Those medical students will be slowly joining it, so that the number may get increased, because first year MBBS will be joining from this end of this month, like that. So those names won't have been there, and some people must have been missed out, and when you get added, then likely to reach above the 4,000.
Meanwhile, the Churachandpur District Health Department and the district administration is all set to carry out a vaccination starting from tomorrow at the district hospital. Dr. V.C. Paw, Chief Medical Officer of Churachandpur, will get the first vaccine, followed by DFWO Dr. Ponlung Mang Wafai. Dr. V.C. Paw further stated that there will be no vaccination without registration, and for this, the target set is 3,389, which include all those health workers to be followed by other frontline workers during the second phase.
We have already registered 3,399 healthcare worker and also frontline worker, wherever. And first drive will start in a district hospital to Chandpur with 318 registered healthcare worker, and out of that 100 will go first. And next step, the other health institutions will take up according to the plan of the government. Now the site plan, the groundwork is already over, and the launching will be done by our Honorable Minister, Puja, in the presence of Kukin Swan Hauzo, Hang Kalyan, and also RDC. And this launching will start right away from 10:30 a.m. in the morning. And while the session is going on, after the being launched, the dignitaries will visit the site of the vaccination. So this is the plan. And this is emergency use for the healthcare worker.
Churachandpur District Health Department is all set to carry out COVID vaccine by tomorrow from 10:30 a.m. The vaccine, which is called Covishield, shall be carried out from tomorrow after it was launched by the Tribal Affairs and Hills Minister Vungjagin Valte at 10 a.m. here at the District Hospital's campus. Reporting from the District Hospital, Churachandpur, M.K. Henry for Northeast Live.